Okay, we're going to do this little thing on roulette, and many people just keep asking me. I mean, I've had 30 or 40,000 views on my roulette and hardly any views on my any of my other videos. So I have to come on and explain because everybody seems to be confused. Point number A, okay, it's 3 to 4 hours of play. Usually less than this. If you can make your profit in 1 hour and the streak goes away, and you can hold on, usually you'll get pockets of 3 to 4 hours, periods during a day, because the game is always going to be like this. But there's going to be some parts of the day that do this, and some parts of the day that will do this. And you're making money and losing money over time, right? Now, this is actually this, but it's how high this goes. Now, your sustainability, okay, was in the last video. So let's start on the 000. There's 18 numbers here. There's 18 numbers here consisting of red and black. Okay. This is also to do with the universe, but nobody's interested in that right now. Here we're going to start at 1 and we're going to end at 28. Okay. I like to start at 13 and I end at 36. Okay. I play 13, 34, 15, 22, 17, 20, and 11. Okay. In between that is 37, 32, 5, 34, 3, and 36. You can choose any one of these numbers, and you will also find a number that connects to 34, okay, and 36. If you say 3, you'll have 34 and 36. If you say 5, you'll have 34 and 32. If you say 7, you'll have 32 and 30. All these numbers will create 37 and 39. All your totals of any red in the low section, okay, will be a red in the high section to create 37. Any black in the middle section, okay? Any black in the middle, all the blacks will line up to equal 37, 13, 24, 37, or 39, or 37, or 39, or 37, okay? But then when you get over here to the 20 mark, right? 20 mark does not come. It stops over here. So I don't want to play any more numbers past this. And I leave out this bunch of numbers. I play all these numbers here. And I leave out 36, 1. Okay, I play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. I find by the rule I gave you in the last video that 11 numbers is too much. Okay, I like to play by 9 numbers. So in these 11 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many blacks there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blacks and 5 reds, right? I'm going to play 6 blacks and 3 reds. If the ball, okay, is hitting more blacks, I'll tend to add in the 2 more numbers or add a few more chips. Okay, let's say I'll put 2 chips on 2 of these red numbers. Okay, other than, do you understand what I'm saying? Anyways, we play 9 numbers. I'm not going to get into that other um, choice explanation. Sorry. On this side, it's the same thing. If you have 29, on one side you'll have 10, the other side you'll have 8. On this side, okay, it's scattered. I for some reason have a little bit more troubled. All the center numbers, okay, that are red will be 14, 23, 16, 21. All the center numbers are red. All the center numbers on the opposite side of the wheel are black. All the lower numbers on this side of the wheel are red. All the lower numbers on this side of the wheel are black. So it's easy to discriminate, to know which numbers go at which if you're in the same area, if you have trouble thinking, right? 2 and 35, 37, 39, 37, 39, 37, 6, 31, 31, 8. 25 and 12, 37, right? Here and here doesn't match, right? Just the way 20 didn't match 11. 12 and 19 is 31, doesn't match. 19 and 18, 37. So it starts over here. Okay, 19 and 18, 37. 18 and 21, 39. 21 and 16, 37. 16 and 23, 37. 23 and 14, 37. 35 and 4, 39. 4 and 33, 37. All right, 33 and 6, 39. 6 and 31, 37, and so forth. So we saw over here the red 14, 23, 37, 23, 16, 39, 16, 31, 37. So you follow how this will. It's 37 and 39. Raphael understands that how much can you sit, how much time do you have. You have to consider all these things before you even sit down. Are you ever going to be satisfied with a small amount of money? Are you ever going to be satisfied that you have to sit and never miss the high and the low of the game? Are you going to miss the consistent croupier that's always rolling in the same area? And remember that once you start to show that you show, they'll start to watch you and maybe continue to change the croupiers or the dealers on you just to change up your luck. Your luck, because the spirit is with you, the force is with you. Anyways, the other thing is you have to feel it. You know what I'm saying? You got to feel it. You can't chase. Thank you for watching this video.